Beth, the marketing manager for elliTek. Today we're at elliTek University and I'd like to demo some of Pizzato's product offerings for you. This is a mock layout of a machine guarding and door setup. Using your imagination, picture this as a full-size door allowing a person to safely access a guarded work area such as a robot work cell. The first thing that catches the eye is the illuminated LED display handle, which when fully programmed has RGB LEDs that can be used to produce up to 7 different illumination colors. Right now, the functionality of the handle is set to the status of the machine itself. When the handle is red, the machine is not running. The LED handle may be purchased separately, but in this demo, it's been fully integrated into Pizzato's NS series of locking RFID high-coded door safety interlocks. Since the machine is stopped, the door is unlocked. It can be opened or closed. The door handle in this demo is also equipped with an optional push button. This push button can be set to control the NS door interlock using the push button on the handle itself. Due to its TUV certification, the functionality of the handle can be changed based on the operational status of the machine, which in this demonstration is represented by the LED color of the handle. When the handle is red, the machine status is stopped, which is considered a safe entry status. In this machine state, the integrated push button on this demo is set to be the start button. When pressed, you'll hear it click as it locks the door interlock and sets the machine to running. The handle color in this demo is set to show green to denote the running machine status. In this state, the door is locked and there is no allowable access to the machine. When access to the machine is required, a request to enter is needed and can be accomplished in this machine state by pressing the same button. How about that? This demo is programmed to emulate this transition of the machine from running to stop by using a 5-second delay before signaling it is safe to open the door. Once the stop status signal is received, the handle turns red to denote the stop status and the door can be opened again. Pizzato also gives the option of doing lockout tagout by sliding the integrated safety bracket into place. Safety locks can be attached, preventing the door from being closed. Pizzato also integrates an e-stop. When the machine is running and the e-stop is pressed, the handle color is changed to a flashing blue to denote that the machine status is stopping due to an e-stop condition. Once the machine comes to a stopped and safe state, the handle changes to a solid blue and the door interlock unlocks to allow entry. The door may now be opened and safe entry allowed. Once the door is closed and the e-stop button is reset, your machine is still in an emergency stop state and must be reset. In this machine state, the integrated button is set to act as the reset button. Once pressed, the machine is changed to a stop state depicted by the red handle color. In this state, the same button may be pressed again to start the machine. On the back of the NS switch is a mechanical release button. This mechanical button may be used as a fail-safe, ensuring an immediate means of exiting the work area if the door interlock was inadvertently locked from outside. This is an immediate mechanical release of the door versus the request to enter button on the front, which besides being out of reach from someone locked inside would also require the operator to wait for the machine to come to a stop before releasing the door interlock. When pressed, notice that the handle turns red immediately. There's no need to wait for the machine to stop to open the door and exit the area. If the mechanical button is depressed, restarting the machine is not allowed because the interlock switch is being overridden by the mechanical switch. When pulled out, the mechanical override is released and the machine restarts by pressing the button. Also featured on the back side of the demo is one of Pizzato's non-contact RFID switches. It's set up to demonstrate the extreme amount of misalignment that can be encountered before deactivating the switch. Also visible from this viewpoint is one of Pizzato's programmable safety modules, which is controlling all of the safety devices being shown. It's used to change the colors of the handle. It's reading the inputs from the door interlock switch, in the RFID switches. It's also controlling another really cool feature on this demo, which is the intelligent hinge switch. It's constructed of stainless steel and is load rated, allowing it to directly bear the load of the door. Notice that there are no wires visibly exiting the hinge. This is due to an option allowing the wires to literally be fed from the back of the hinge directly through the framing. Other options for wire exits are available, including an M12 screw connector extending from the top or the bottom of the hinge. Pizzato's intelligent hinge switch features direct OSSD outputs, allowing the hinge to perform its own fault detection at the switch itself. This functionality allows multiple hinge switches to be wired in series without compromising the degree of safety. On this demo, it's running directly into the safety module on the back. This demo also features one of Pizzato's integrated operator housing. Each of their plastic housings are manufactured in-house using their own injection molding processes. This allows Pizzato to ensure consistent colors and also provides users with almost any color they may desire. The last element I'd like to show you is the e-stop featured on this demo. It's fitted with Pizzato's signature illuminated legend plate. It's easy to see the visual effect, providing a clear indication of an e-stop press even from a long distance. The illuminated legend plate is available in a solid color that stays on or a flashing mode that blinks when it's pressed. elliTek's engineers are very impressed with the quality and innovation of Pizzato's product portfolio. These include position switches, micro switches, joysticks, safety devices, safety modules, foot switches, control and signaling devices, and even devices for elevators. Most importantly, all of the items I've shown today are in factory stock. If you're in the East Tennessee region, give us a call today at 865-409-1555. If you prefer to email us, give us an email at info@ellitek.com. That's info@ellitek.com. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.